A few years ago, several of us from the management team of Service and Supply got together and trying to figure out things we could do for the future of our company. We knew one of them was we needed to get faster at mixing chemicals and getting them to the field and taking care of the farmers. So we decided we'd go with a new chemical facility. We ended up going with a 250-foot long building, 100-foot wide. We had 6 mixing facilities. We're cutting that down to 2 with the addition of this one. One of our big goals is to retain customers and gather new customers. One way to do that is to be able to help them quicker and get them what they need when they need it. When you pull up here, 8-9 minutes, you can be loaded and out the door. Everything is computer controlled. There's 46 or 8 meter heads down there. With this new state-of-the-art system, we should be able to cut our shrink by huge margins. We can run this mixing facility with 3 people, and that's actually doing repack also at the same time. We're hoping to utilize some of the people that used to do the mixing and the manual labor and put them to drive-in equipment. I think we'll be able to get more done, not necessarily with less people, but putting more people where they need to be to get more done. We've put about every safety precaution we can in this place. You know, when we was doing all the mixing in the other facilities and in the fields, you had 20 to 30 people a day handling chemicals. With this, everything is injected into the water going into the truck. There's no manual dumping of chemicals unless it's a dry chemical. In the last 2 years, we've implemented logistics software with our equipment. That all goes out of our back office software to the KSI software. Basically, as soon as that load is loaded, it goes right back in our back office software and is ready to be billed. You might be 30 days out on billing stuff. We're running 2 to 3 days. In designing this building, we got together with Farm Chem, looked at several companies. They stood out. Probably a year and a half ago, I personally met Matt Self. When we decided that we were going to go ahead with this project, he set up 2 or 3 tours for us to go look at things. And we visited with him a few times and ended up, we decided just to build a new building. When we ordered the project to start, pretty much everything was shipped here on time, and just been a very good company, and Matt's been a very good guy to work with.